Hello my spooky friends, it is Stacy and welcome to Special Effects Makeup on a Budget with a quick tip on how to change a style in your wig so you can have it work for several different looks. Now with a little bit of hairspray, I teased this wig and then I used hairspray color, and as long as the materials that you are using on your wig is not caustic and it will not melt as you do not apply heat to any wig that's synthetic, I use this to create my killer clown look, as you can see here. But I also took the same wig and I used it for my leprechaun look. And what I did here for the leprechaun look is I did wash this. You can wash these wigs with shampoo and conditioner. Just do not apply heat, a hair dryer, or a curling iron to it because synthetic wigs will melt. And here is another reason to save that small bit of water paints, because even if they dry up, you can reuse them later. And I had thinned that out with some water, and I'm using this orange for highlights, and I'm raking it in with a comb because the OG Leprechaun had a bright orange wig that I did not have. I knew that I could put some water paints onto this black wig and use that for highlight. So instead of salt and pepper, it was the salt and pepper look using the orange for the highlight. And this is going to save you a lot of time and a lot of money if you're using a lot of special effects makeups that require wigs to change the entire look, because wigs do get expensive, and to use up everything you have. I'm a firm believer in using what you have or changing what you have to make it work for you. But I go through and I created this look for the leprechaun so he had a different look and not just black hair. But I hope you enjoyed this quick tip. If you like to have more quick tips, please consider to subscribe, and I appreciate you watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye.